Hi everyone, and this is Dan, and this is my workshop snack dispenser. Now, my initial design had the biscuits actually being lifted up to the top here and coming out the top, but the elastic system that I was using to lift the biscuits actually created too much friction, causing the biscuits to break when you tried to pull them out. So I had to pivot into a gravity-fed system that works with this lever actually pushing the biscuit out from the back, so like that. Now, there are a few things I'm going to change on this design, which includes I'm going to make these mounting sections here much more flush to the tube, because as you can see, when the biscuit comes out, you actually don't get all that much space to pull the biscuit out, just simply because there's 10 mil of wasted space here. I used elastics on the side to actually reset the system, so every time that the lever gets pulled down, the elastics pull it back up, resetting the little pin that was pushing the biscuits out. As you can see, it's got a French cleat system that mounts to my wall, same as all my other tool holders. I have a rod that has a piece of flexible plastic attached to it, which is actually then attached to a harder piece of plastic inside this hole, which pushes the biscuit out. I'm very happy with this. This is probably my third iteration to get this model working, to get this concept working. It's got a little cap on the top just to keep dust out. These slots were initially for the mechanism that was lifting the biscuits up in my first go at this design. Obviously this slot isn't needed anymore, but I like that I can see how many biscuits I have left in the tube. Obviously this tube could be as high as I wanted it to be, so I could fit like a whole box of biscuits in if I wanted, but nobody really needs that in their diet. And there's a lot of little things that I'm going to change on this design. As I said, this here is going to go flush to the tube so that you get a lot more purchase on the biscuits. I'll make these side sections much nicer. Probably make this whole section here one unit out of one piece of material. The mount to the wall will be slightly nicer. The handle at the front will actually fit on without just having screws holding it in. But I'm very happy with the how this model has turned out, how this prototype has turned out. I've never had it actually fail in use, so it'll work over and over and over again. You may even be able to see, if I don't pull the biscuit out, there's that little bit of plastic that pushes the biscuit, and it just sliding back into its spot. Yeah, so I'm very happy with this. Let me know what you think.